The objective of this tutorial is to give you an overview how to create collaboratively a market strategy process. The strategy frontend.com is a global enterprise management system, and it consists out of 16 different tools for sustainable strategy execution. If you got assigned a name and password to the system, then actually I think you can click the login button, and you actually I think got your dashboard which is assigned to your responsibility area by the system administrator. The system administrator already have inputted master data like regions, like target groups and customers and products where the company is active, so that you can use one of the most interesting tools of this management system, the market strategy. So, if you click on the market strategy, you see immediately all the markets where you have access to. We take an example of Groupers, which is a tool for the robotic industry, to give you advice, how to use the system and create a complete market strategy, print it out and submit it for decision. Here you see the list of all the markets, and then if you click on the Grouper market, you are immediately into the details of these markets. The question we want to explore is how to edit and create new markets. For this reason, the market button on the first line of the menu is important and has all the functionalities which is needed to create a market strategy. If you click on the market button, then you will find this kind of template where you can search for all the markets after different criteria. So like this one, so you got all the markets in the system where you have access to. If you want to create a new market, then you have this create button here on the right hand side. If you click it, then actually I think you can name the market, you can assign the sector, the region and the product category to this market. So like here to say, is this part of automotive or part of sensors? To make it easy for you, I will explore an already existing market, like the Gripper markets here in Germany, where you have inputted all the information, like Gripper market Germany as name. The sector is grippers and clamps, which was selected, out of the company master data file, which actually ensures that all activities, go in a very standard way. You have selected the region and the category of the products. You have assigned the responsible people out of the list of all users which has access to this market potential. And you also have to describe what is the market all about. This is actually very easy to set up a market, then you or edit a market, then you click save, and you are see immediately, you know, the result of the editing or of the new creation. Now we follow one market of the year 2008. You have seen several years and time periods is possible. The first task in creating a market strategy, after you have segmented the market, described the market, is the market potential. So the market potential actually, I think, is also very easy to do. You have to select the currency, euro or dollars. Can have also the exchange rate to the euro. Then actually, I think you input total sales of your company into this market, and you input here the demand. This is the whole market potential, total available market TAM, and this is the easiest way. For more sophisticated kind of evaluation, you have additional possibilities, which I will not cover in this tutorial. So if you have inputted, if you want currency, total sales, demand, then you can push the save button. And actually, I think thing is saved, and your potential demand, sales, and market share is calculated. An interesting feature of this product is that this market is always connected to the customers which belong to this market segments. For instance, here you can see you have recorded 43 customers into this market. You have explored only four, and you also supplied goods and services to only 3. So it means the white space, it's 82% of all the demand, which gives you the first hint how to expand your sales, and also I think lay out a strategy exploring white spaces of markets. So potential is the first step. The second step is, if you want a description of market strategy, this is an example how you can do it. This is a free format kind of thing where you can edit, like in Wikipedia, jointly, you know, can work on this document to say what is the business mission, product, market scope, for instance, strategic resources, and so on. You always can add and edit